Probably like down right here. Yee! Eh? Eh? All right, YouTube. We've made it to the Potter Schoolhouse, filming location for Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. Ah! Over here, you have the church. Look at the house. This is the St. Teresa Avila Church.
He just texted me and said 3:30, right? And I was like, yeah. So we agreed to get here early.
This is the Potter Schoolhouse from The Birds, Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. One of, if not the scariest movies ever made. And I say that because birds are real. Freddy Krueger, Jason, Michael Myers, those are all characters. Birds are real. And the thought of them just one day attacking us is probably the most terrifying. So to make this movie, Alfred Hitchcock knew what he was doing. It's a real fear. People are really afraid of birds. And if you ever watch that movie, you'll know why. I was walking right by this church when my Jordans literally started falling apart. So I had a slight wardrobe malfunction. I had to go switch the shoes. Got the Gucci loafers on now. We're all set. We're Gucci. Ah! This is the church filming location for Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. It is St. Teresa Avila. And what a beautiful church. Ah! Had to switch to the Gucci loafers because my Jordans fell apart.
Those are better.
And these are much better.
Those are fine.
There it is. What a beautiful day out here. The drive up is just gorgeous. Rolling hills, trees, got cows, horses. Just a beautiful land out here. The weather's nice and cool. It's like 70 degrees with a breeze. Love it. It's just a little windy. Breezy. My hair. We are currently on Taylor Street. And on Taylor Street is the filming location for The Birds, where the kids are running down the street and they're being attacked by the birds. A little bit of movie magic. The scene started at the Schoolhouse and then transitioned to Taylor Street. And you can see this is the view.
I want you to go as quietly as possible. Do not make a sound until I tell you to run. Then run as quickly as you can. Now, does everybody understand? Yes, Hayward. All right, John, you lead the way.